from Keystone. We're with Julianne Scherer, who's the Denver director on the AIA Colorado Board of Directors and also at HDR in Denver. And Julianne, what do you think about the conference so far?
Well, I love it. I think it's one of the things when I moved to Colorado that I loved the most about AIA here was this intimate group that we have that comes together every year except for those couple, and the way that we really interact and talk and support each other as a community. In addition to that, the opportunities that we have to meet with those that come and speak with us, not necessarily to us, of course, we got to get our time in, our credits, but they really give us the opportunity to meet afterwards, and that intimacy is something that I really think is so unique about AIA Colorado in our conference.
Yeah, it's a big enough group that they want to come and address it, and it's in the mountains. I mean, who wouldn't want to come here? But they stick around for mostly the whole conference, and we see them in the hallways, and they have time to just interact with people, and they seem really thrilled to be part of the community.
Absolutely.
Yeah. What's been your favorite part of this particular event?
Well, I think that the whole, what we call this, the exhibit floor, showroom floor, that being integrated with where you have your meal has been really well done. Why? Because usually when you go and have a meal, you know, we have this table set up and people tend to go to their same group of 8 or 10.
Yeah.
And I have had the opportunity without feeling sort of awkward, so I'm okay with just saying hi to anyone, but there's some that maybe don't feel that way. And this sort of more open flow and casualness, informalness has, I think, brought people together that maybe haven't met each other before in a better way.
Yeah. Is there something that you are going to take back to work on Monday that you got from this event?
I would say, well, there's always something you can learn, right? I mean, sure, maybe not the full hour was, every minute was, learning opportunity, but there's always something you can learn. A couple things I've been thinking about. One was the idea of storytelling, the way that Kate was talking to us. I mean, just her writing ability and the way that she was so specific with the words that she used to share the story was really powerful. The graphic explanation of the way that Heatherwick, their project, was developed, really want to showcase that to my team too, to how you tell. So there's that verbal side of telling a story, and then the graphic side of telling the story, and how that comes together. And then the last one yesterday, those 6 components, I really want to take those 6 components back and say to my team, I'd like you to evaluate each one of the projects that you're working on and answer these 6 questions.
Yeah, it's really powerful.
Yeah, and then we're gonna do a feedback reel on that. So I'm excited about that.
If you took the knowledges from those 3 sessions and applied them to each project, totally changed your work.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So that's what I got out. That's what I got out of all.
That's a lot.
Yeah. So my team has work to do.
Yeah. Watch out, she's coming back.
Come back.
So what would you tell to people who haven't been to this event yet, why you would recommend they come?
Well,
I think we might do it again.
Yeah, well, we should. Well, I really strongly believe that as a profession, if you want to be an architect, pass the test, but really if you want to see the profession be valued and grow, you need to be a part of it. And we learn so much from each other in these opportunities and multiple perspectives. Your own firm can only give you so much, and you shouldn't expect it to give you everything. And to come to this forum with professionals, and sometimes you use the term like-minded. Well, the thing is, the only thing that's the like part is that we're all architects. The mindfulness and the thoughtfulness is so diverse, and the perspectives that we can all share. I think that's really important that everyone has that opportunity, and I'll be promoting it.
Yeah. Well, even before COVID, we tend to get in our own little bubbles of our professional spheres, of our own teams, and the people we work with every day. Events like this get you out of that bubble and remind you that there's other ways of seeing the world that are equally valid in a lot of ways, and ways you haven't thought of before.
You haven't thought of exactly. So
yeah. So thanks, Julianne.
Thank
glad
you.
You're here. And
I'm glad to be here.
glad you're helping us out on Denver Board of Directors.
Look for the Ascend program coming up
Yes.
to a chapter near you. Thanks.